Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify EV tax credit eligibility with IRS guidance, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your eligibility for the electric vehicle tax credit, start by visiting the IRS website. Locate the latest guidance on tax credits for electric vehicles. Familiarize yourself with the specific criteria outlined by the IRS. Check the type of vehicle you own or plan to purchase. Ensure that it qualifies as an electric vehicle under the IRS definitions. Review the battery capacity requirements, typically set at a minimum threshold. Confirm that the vehicle is new and not previously owned. Understand the income limits that may affect your eligibility. Gather necessary documentation, including your vehicle purchase agreement. Access the IRS Form 8834, which is required for claiming the credit. Fill out the form accurately, providing all pertinent vehicle and personal information. If applicable, consult the IRS's list of eligible vehicles. Consider seeking guidance from a tax professional if you have questions. Review your completed form to ensure accuracy before submission. Keep copies of all documentation for your records. Await confirmation from the IRS regarding your tax credit claim. Follow up if you experience any delays or need further clarification. By following these steps, you can confidently verify your eligibility for the EV tax credit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.